Hi guys, I've got a faulty SD card. When I plug it in, it's not recognised. And I don't expect to be able to fix it, but I thought we could have a look inside it. I did take apart a micro SD card in a previous video. Have a look. Have a look what's inside. Is that still in focus? I can't tell. Oh, don't know if that helps or not. Makes it brighter. A little bit zoomed in, aren't we? Well, that's it. If we're going to go any further, we're going to cut our way into it. We can see some tracks on the surface there. Just about. There's nothing a guy like me with a soldering iron is going to fix. I'll see if I can get my USB microscope on there. Because I got USB microscope, but I've got a new computer here that I don't think I've used this microscope on. What can we use? Oh, I know. OBS Studio. So, I need to add a device. Add a source, right, okay. Video capture device. Oh, I've got it. Well, that surprised me. Okay, in that case, we'll start recording on OBS. Right, I know my hands are in the way, but we're going to be looking at the screen off this microscope instead. So I'll keep talking, so we'll use the audio from camera. Well, okay, well, we're looking at it, but to be quite honest, it's not telling us anything, is it? And like I said, there's no way I'd be able to fix anything with a soldering iron. So this is just a look, see what's what. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.